Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning. Today is day 6 of our around the world trip,
Mm-hmm.
and we're on the swing.
Yes, we are.
Yay! And it's so bright and sunny out again today. We're actually very lucky. Last week they said it was kind of rainy and yucky.
It's been beautiful so far. Perfect days every day.
I think we're gonna go snorkeling today.
Mm-hmm.
So we got our complimentary snorkeling gear, and we might head over to the reefs after breakfast. So we'll see you there.
Bye-bye.
It's a French toast morning. You got avocado toast?
Avocado toast, egg, chocolate chip pancakes.
Wow, you got a lot. Look how beautiful it is again today. We are headed to the water sports place.
Yep.
We already have our life vest. Said the water was pretty calm today.
Hello.
Gotta go over here. So we can go snorkeling. It's really hard to see here. I think it drops down a lot, but I can't tell. Oh, we're gonna go right here, I think. Get on our gear. That's where they do the water sports, but we have to go over there to get in the water to see the reefs and the fishies. And there should be some baby sharks there as well. So that's where we're headed. I can't take the camera because I don't have a waterproof one. Tim's all dressed except his slippers are not on.
My slip.
You can see me.
Watch your step. It's a big step. Actually, it's not a step. It's
Slide.
a slide. Okay, you go. Try to get down to that water.
I can't even see because I don't have my glasses on.
Yeah, you're gonna be careful.
I'm gonna fall. Just so
You're
you
probably
know.
gonna fall on your butt. Might want to sit your butt down and just slide down. There you go.
What?
It's a yep. There you go. Put your butt down and just slide yourself down. Yeah, you're gonna make it. Okay. You want to put the camera down now?
Yeah, you turn off the video. Ready to go snorkeling?
There you go. Okay, have fun. See you later.
How was your snorkeling experience?
Oh, that was Hello.
Hello.
It was good. You panicked the whole time, and I just stayed by
I
you.
did panic. It's tough when you can't see very well, you know, and I don't swim very well, but I did go out there.
Yep.
I didn't see anything except
No,
for
there was nothing to see. You'd have to swim a lot farther to get to a coral, and it probably wouldn't have been that colorful. It didn't look like it would be. So, no, it was kind of there were seas there, so it was going to be foggy from the sands and stuff.
yeah. So we didn't make it. I didn't make it very far. I think Tim
We'll go
probably
play in
would.
the cove for a little bit, and
Yeah.
later on.
But now we're gonna go to the pool because that's not scary.
Mm.
This is our happy hour drinks today. We're gonna get the cocktail of the day. Our drinks today.
Okay, I'm videoing. Up on the couch. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Let's do a quick recap of day 6. So, what did we do today?
What did we do today?
We had breakfast.
Yep.
I had French toast. It was really good again.
Yeah.
And then,
Snorkeling.
oh, we attempted to snorkel.
Mm-hmm.
I will tell you that if you are legally blind, it's difficult.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't succeed.
Mm.
But I tried.
Then we went to the pool.
The pool was really nice, much less scary So I enjoyed the pool a lot. And then we went to happy hour,
Mm-hmm.
and they had really good drinks today. So that was really nice. I actually had 2 of them and got a little tipsy.
Mm-hmm.
We'll call it tipsy. 2 drinks and a tipsy. And
Then we stayed in.
we had our Dairy Queen, Burger King.
Mm-hmm.
We had our Burger King. So I had my
Chicken strips.
chicken strips and you had your fish
Fish
sandwich. And so we didn't spend anything on food. So, because we just stayed in and we had my birthday cake that they had brought the night before.
Mhm.
So we had that for dessert. And it was a beautiful evening. I was tired. Snorkeling takes a lot out of you. So how much did we spend?
Nothing, I guess. I don't
Just
know.
the $200 on the room for the makeup of the points that I had to buy. So that was it. Recap for day 6. We only spent $200 in the Maldives
Yay.
for accommodations.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.